So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then again 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now 0 times 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is synthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and then again one another subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication. So is equal to 9 minus, now solve this multiplication first. 9 times 9 is equal to 81 minus 9. So now here we have one subtraction and here we have one subtraction. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So 9 minus 81 is equal to minus 72 minus 9. Now minus 72 minus 9 is equal to minus 81, right? So the correct answer is minus 81. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.